Good morning, students. Welcome to your maths class. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and doing the work which is given in your book as well as in your copy. In maths, we have done addition. There are few sums which are given in page number 94 that we will do today. Okay, I have written it in your board. I have written it in board. Let us read the number, then we will do it. First of all, let us recognize the number properly. It is the first step which you have to do. In first sum, we have to add 45 plus 36. How we will do? We will add the sums which are given in ones place first. What is that? See the digits. Digits are 5 plus 6. Can you tell me what is 5 plus 6? I have told you na, bigger number you have to keep it in your mind, and for smaller number you have to take out your finger. Here bigger number is 6 and smaller number is 5. So take out 5 finger and you will read the number after 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What will it be the answer? 5 plus 6 will be 11. But we will not write it 11 here because it is 2-digit number. So what you have to do? You have to write 1 here and the next number you have to write it here. 2 into, if the answer is of 2-digit number, the digit which is in ones place, you will write it in ones column, and the digit which is in tens place, you will carry forward to tens column. And then the digits which are already given in tens place, you will add that carry forward number together. Don't forget to add that carry forward number. Sometimes students miss that number and they forget to add that number. Okay. So 4 plus 1, you know the property. What will come after 4? Yes, that is 5. And after 5, you have to add 3. So keep 5 in your mind and take out your 3 fingers, and after 5 start counting 6, 7, 8. So you will write it 8 here. So you will write 8 here. The answer is 81. We have done the first sum. Now let us see the second sum in this page. 39 plus 34. 39 plus 34. We all know what the first step we have to do. Yes, we have to add the digits which are in ones place. Let me circle. 9 plus 4. So what is the answer? Which is the bigger number here? 9. Then what you will do? You will take out 4 fingers and you will start counting after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It's very easy, na? Bigger number you have to keep it in your mind, and the smaller number digit you have to take out finger. Here bigger number is 9 and 4 is smaller number, so you will take out 4 in your fingers. And then you will count after 9. 10, 11, 12, 13. So the answer is 13. So we will write 3 here and 1 will be carried. 1 will be carried to tens place. 1 will be carried to tens column. Now what you will do? Yes, you will add the digits which are in tens column with the number which we have carried. Here 3 plus 3 is, what you will get? 3 plus 3? Yes, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 1, that is 7. So answer will be 73. Answer will be 73. It's very easy, na? In this case, 3 plus 3 was given. 1 3 you keep it in your mind, and for the other 3 you can take out your finger. Okay, it's very easy. You will practice, you will get how addition. Okay, don't worry, it's new for you, I know, I understand, but with practice you can do better. 9 plus 1, I have told you that property. The next number, what comes after 9? What comes after 9? 10. So the answer will be 10. What we will write it here? What we will write here? 0. And 1 will be carried. Simple. 4 plus 3. 4 is bigger number. Keep it in your mind and take out 3. 5, 6, 7. Then 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 80. Don't forget to add the number which we have carried. It's very important, okay? Now come to the fourth sum. Let us read first. 29 plus 34. What we will do? We will add the digits which are in ones place. That is 9 plus 4. Yes, 9 plus 4. What is the answer? Think. It's very easy. 4. Take out finger. And after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we will write 3 here. And 1 will be carried. Very good. 1 will be carried. Now 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 5, 6. Answer will be 63. So easy, isn't it? I hope you all are able to do it. It's very easy. Just it needs practice. Okay? Do it. Tell your mom to give 4 foursomes daily. And you can do it in your rough copy. And then with practice, you can do addition very easily. Nobody can be able to cheat you when you will go to shop to buy vegetables or toffee, whatever you want. You have to give money to shopkeeper. If you will do addition properly, that uncle can't cheat you. He has life. Mathematics is such a subject that you need it. Whether today you are in class 2 or you are in class 12. Mathematics is very important. Take it very seriously and do practice regularly. Okay. Now let us do the next sums. 9 plus 3. Take out 3 fingers. And then after 9, 10, 11, 12. Write down 12. What you will do if the answer is coming 12? Can you write 2 digits here? No. What you have to do? You have to write 2 here and you have to carry forward 1 in tens place. Then 5 plus 1. Next number to what comes after 5? 6. Then 6 plus 3. 6 in your mind. 3 in your finger. 7, 8, 9. The answer is 92. Addition is very easy, just you need practice. Then here come to the next sum. 8 plus 2. Take out 2 finger, count after 8, 9, 10. Here you will write 0 and 1 will be carried. 7 plus 1, what comes after 7? What comes after 7? Yes, 8. So, answer is 80. Okay. Now, the next number is, let us read what is the next number? 18 plus 13. Now, do some situation. Suppose you are having 18 pencils. I am drawing here 18 pencils. Yellow pencil and here 13 green pencil. Altogether, how many pencils are you having? Let us count and know. You have to add the digits which are in ones place. Here in ones place, what are the digits? 8 plus 3. What you will do? You will add 8 plus 3 then. Take out your 3 fingers. Count after 8. 9, 10, 11. So what you will write here? You will write 1 here and 1 will be carry forward here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. It's very easy. So you will write here 31. Then come to the last question of this video. What is the digit written? Let us see. 44 plus 28. Yes, what we will do? How we will add? I have told you now. Yes, we will add the digits which are in ones place. Let us circle. Let us circle 8 plus 4. Which is the bigger digit here? 8. Very good. How many fingers you will take out? 4. Now, what now? And then you will read after 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. So, you will write it here 12. So, you will write here 2 and 1 will be carried. 4 plus 1 will be 5. I have told you now the next number will come. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2. Take out 2 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7. So the answer is 72. Hope you have learned how to do addition without drawing lines or drawing dots. Or I have told you the method which is shortest. That is, you have to keep the bigger digit in your mind, and the digit which is smaller, you have to take out finger according to that. And you have to count after the number which you have kept in your mind. It will not take time and you will be able to do addition quickly. Your mom will give you sums and you will do within few seconds. Mom will be also happy that my daughter or my son is very good. He is able to do addition so nicely. Proud of you. She will love you. Now, you all want your mom to be proud now? When you will do your exercise within seconds, she will be very proud. And I am also proud because you are doing very well. I can see all the exercises which you are sending in WhatsApp group. All correct answers. You are doing it. You are listening to your mom and dad. You are doing the work in your book as well as in your copy. I am also very proud of you. You all are very nice. Please do practice again and again. At least practice 4 sums regularly in your rough copy so that you will not forget whatever I have taught you. Addition is such a thing that you need in your daily life. Okay? So practice it. Practice addition regularly. Thank you.